Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a exquisitely designed two-story house for sale. It comes with breathtaking ocean views and manicured lawns in the small but intimate gated community of Negril Heights, Westmoreland. The main floor consists of a lovely kitchen, dining room, a powder room, two additional rooms that can be used as a walk-in pantry, offices, and storage, a bedroom with ensuite bathroom and balcony. This floor also includes a living room, laundry room, and a large rear patio. The upper floor consists of the family room with own balcony, a full bar, two bedrooms, and a master suite, all with ensuite bathrooms and a wraparound balcony exhibiting a superb view of Negril's coastline. The property also consists of four large water tanks, a 1,500-gallon, two 1,000 gallons, and an 800-gallon, plus an outdoor bar and grill. Enjoy an array of lush trees such as coconuts, mangoes, ackee, mountain sap, and cashew. The house is situated on two lots, a total area of 16,569 square feet. It is an ideal investment for a vacation villa or large family home or an event and retreat location. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 800,000 or Jamaican $123.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.